Today, we're going to learn about the timber rattlesnake. In this video, you will hear a rattle noise. That's because rattlesnakes shake their tails and make a noise to warn off predators.
Hi, welcome back to Grand Bay Education Center. My name is Clint Hon, and today I've got an expert on reptiles. This is Dr. Adam Safer, and he's from Valdosta State University, and he's here with us today to talk about this beautiful creature called the timber rattlesnake.
In the south, these are referred to as canebrake rattlesnakes. The genus is Crotalis, the species is horridus, characteristic by the chevron pattern down the back, kind of the light stripe, if you can see it going down the back. The rattle is an adaptation on the tip of the tail there. It's actually interlocking scales, and then when the snake rattles its tail, the rattle vibrates and those scales really, the segments of the rattle vibrate together, and it is what we call an aposematic warning. So it's a warning to, leave me alone, don't step on me. It is a pit viper, which means it has a pit between the eye and the nostril. It gives the animal the appearance of actually having 4 nostrils, but that pit between the eye and the nostril is actually infrared sensitive, and it actually allows the snake to see infrared, not just sense heat. And it uses that infrared sensing to hunt its prey, but also to find places to thermoregulate in the environment. So these guys are dangerously venomous, and it's actually been documented in some populations of canebrake rattlesnakes that they have a high percentage of neurotoxic type components in the venom that will attack the nervous system. So when we look at snake venoms, very complex mixtures of proteins and enzymes.
Yes, sir.
And they use their venom really primarily to secure prey. Secondarily, they can use it in defense. In broad terms, venomous snakes, typically fall into, the snake venom falls into a category of being either hemotoxic, in which it, in that case, it attacks tissues and blood cells and affects the animal that it bites that way, or they're neurotoxic and they affect the nervous system and usually results in paralysis of muscles that have to do with breathing.
Now, let's go over what you learned. What adaptation do timber rattlesnakes have to warn off predators? A rattle on their tail. What do infrared sensors see? Heat. Which toxin attacks the nervous system? Neurotoxins. Which toxin attacks red blood cells? Hemotoxin. What is another name for Crotalis horridus? Timber rattlesnake or canebrake rattlesnake?